everybody. In this video, you'll be learning about the assignment and ternary operators in C#. So the agenda of my video will be understanding about the different types of operators. There are assignment operators and ternary operators. So let's get started. First, I'm going to talk about assignment operators, like I said. The first assignment operator I'm going to talk about is the simple assignment operator. So basically, we use the simple assignment operator to assign the right-hand side value to a left-hand side variable. Let's understand this with an example. So here I'm declaring an integer a and assigning that the value of 2. After that, I'm declaring another integer b and assigning that the value of 3. After that, I'm declaring another integer c and assigning the value of a plus b. So in all these cases, we are using the simple assignment operator, that is the equal to sign. So what happens when we are declaring the integer c and assigning it the value of a plus b is that it assigns the value of a plus b into c. Okay, next I'm going to talk about the add assignment operator. So how we can use the add assignment operator is by a plus equal to sign. So let's understand this with an example. So here I'm saying b plus equal to a. So what this means is that it's a shortcut for writing b equals b plus a. Next, let's talk about the subtract assignment operator. So how we can use it is with a minus equal to. So let's understand this with an example. So here I'm typing in b minus equal to a. So basically this is a shortcut way of writing b equals b minus a. Okay, next let's talk about the multiply assignment operator. How you can use it is with a star equal sign. Okay, so let's understand this with an example. So here I'm saying that b star equals a. So this is a short way of writing b equals b multiplied by a. So next let's talk about the divide assignment operator. How you can use the divide assignment operator is by a slash equal to sign. So let's understand this with an example. So here I'm saying b slash equal to a. This is a shortcut way of writing b equals b divided by a. Next, let's talk about the modulus assignment operator. How you can use the modulus assignment operator is with a percentage sign and an equal to. So let's understand this with an example. So here I'm saying b modulus assignment operator a. So this basically is a short way of writing b equals b modulus a. So now let's do the Visual Studio demo. So I'm just going to fire up Visual Studio. So here I've fired up Visual Studio and I've created a console application. What I'll do first is I'm going to show you an example of where we should use the assignment operator, simple assignment operator. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to declare an integer a and use the simple assignment operator. So equal to, I'm going to say 10. Okay, so now you can see that there is no error. But if there was no assignment operator here, let's look at what happens. There is an error. So I'll put that back. After that, I'm going to declare another integer. I'm going to name this b equal to 100, semicolon. Another integer int c equal to a plus b, semicolon. Okay, so after that, console.write line c. Okay, let's look at what's the output by running our program. You can see that the output on the console is 110. So that's basically because 100 plus 10 is 110, of course. Now now I'm going to show you how we can use the add assignment operator. So here I'm going to say C plus equal to A, semicolon. Okay, now let's look at what's the output by running our program. So I'm just going to run my program. You can see that the output is 120. Okay, so what happened is that this is again a shortcut way of saying C equals C plus A. Okay, next let's look at how we can use the subtract assignment operator. So here instead of saying C plus equals A, I'm going to say C minus equals A. Oh wait, yeah, minus equals A. Okay, now let's look at what's the output by running our program. So I'm just going to run my program. So you can see that the output on the console is 100. So again, the subtract assignment operator in our case is a shortcut way of writing C equals C minus A. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how we can use the multiply assignment operator. So what I'm going to do first is instead of typing in here C minus equals A, I'm going to type in C star equals A. So now let's look at what's the output by running our program. So I'm just going to run my program. So you can see that the output on the console is 1100. Okay, that is correct. So now I'm just going to remove this declaration of the variable C for your better understanding. And the value of B is going to be 5 from now. And here instead of C, I'm going to change it to B. Okay. And now I'm going to show you an example of divide assignment operator. So here I use the multiply assignment operator. Now I'm going to use the divide assignment operator. Okay, so now let's look at what's the output by running our program. So before doing that, here you can see that there is an error. It says the name C does not exist in the current context. So that is of course because we removed the declaration of the variable C. So instead of C, I want to print B. So now let's check what's the output by running our program. So I'm just going to run my program. So you can see that the output on the console is 0 while the real answer should be 0.5. So that is because both of these variables are integers. So of course an integer cannot hold decimal values. So here instead of integer, I'm going to make this a float and add an F in the end. After that, I'm going to make this too a float and add an F at the end. Okay, so now I hope the results on the console should be correct. So I'm just going to run my program and check out what's the output. Okay, so you can see that the output on the console is 0.5, which is correct. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can use the modulus assignment operator. So instead of divide assignment operator, I'm going to use the modulus assignment operator. Okay, and here instead of 5, I'm going to change this to 3. Now for your better understanding, I'm going to switch these both places. So here is B, I'm going to change it to A. And here instead of A, I'm going to change this to B. Okay, now we're going to look at what's the output by running our program. So I'm just going to run my program. You can see that the output is 3. That is because we're printing B on the console, and actually we're printing, what I mean is that we are printing the value of B on the console and we have to print A. So now let's look at what's the output by running our program. So I'm just going to run our program. So you can see that the output on the console is 1, and that is correct. Okay, So now let's continue on with ternary operators. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be talking about ternary operators. So let's try to understand the ternary operator with an example. So here I'm declaring an integer a and assigning it the value of 1. After that, I'm declaring another integer b and assigning that the value of 2. So consider that we have a requirement, that is, if a is greater than b, then we have to print on the console a message that a is greater than b. And if a is not greater than b, we want to print on the console that a is not greater than b. Okay, so one way of fulfilling this requirement is by using the if-else statement. Another way of doing this is with the ternary operator. So let's look at how we can do this by using the if-else statement. So here I'm saying if a is greater than b, then write on the console that a is greater than b. And then in the else condition, I'm typing in console.write line, a is not greater than b. So let's look at what's the output on the console. The output on the console is basically a is not greater than b. And that is because the value of a is 1 and the value of b is 2. So of course, a is not greater than b. So now let's look at how we can achieve how we can fulfill this same requirement by using the ternary operator. So while using the if-else statement, you can see that we write so many lines of code and your code becomes like messy kind of. So here, by using the ternary operator, we can write all that code in just one line. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can use the ternary operator. So the syntax for you declaring the ternary operator is first condition, and then question mark, and then the true value, colon, and the false value. Okay, after that, a semicolon. So, and you always have to assign this ternary operator to a variable. So like I was saying, let's understand it with an example. So here I'm saying var result. So in our case, the variable we're going to store the ternary operator is, the ternary operator in is result. That's a variable. So, like I was saying, var results equals shell, and then I'm typing in the condition inside brackets, that is a greater than b. After that, a question mark, a is greater than b, that is the true value. After that, a colon, and then the false value, that is a is not greater than b. After that, I'm printing on the console the value of our variable result. So the output on the console is going to be a is not greater than b. So that's the same output we got while using the if-else statement. Also, but we did this with only a little bit of coding. So now let's see these concepts in action in Visual Studio. So again, I'm just going to open up Visual Studio. So here I've fired Visual Studio and I've created a console application. What I'll do first is I'm going to declare an integer a and assign this the value of semicolon. After that, another integer b and assign this the value of 5 semicolon. Now I'm going to use the if statement. So consider that we have a requirement that is again to print on the console that a is greater than b if a is greater than b. So or else we want to print that a is not greater than b. So first we are going to achieve this with an if statement. So if a is greater than b, then console.write line a is greater than b. Else, I want to print console.write line, and in here I'm going to type in a is not greater than b. Let's look at what's the output by running our program. So I'm just going to run my program. Okay. You can see that the output of the console is A is greater than B. So that is correct. I'm just going to close that and I'm going to comment this if else statement. So control KC. So these lines of code get commented. Now I'm going to achieve the same requirement by using the ternary operator. First, variable. I'm going to name this result equal to, so check the condition. A greater than B, then question mark. You have to do A is greater than B. Colon. A is not greater than B. So this is the false value and this is the true value. Semicolon. Now let's print on the console result, the variable result. Let's look at what's the output by running our program. So I'm just going to run my program. So I'm just going to drag this down. So yeah, you can see that the output on the console is A is greater than B. So again, we got the same output like what we got for by using the if else statement. So that's how you can use the ternary operator. So basically, we can replace an if else statement with a ternary operator. And a ternary operator is also called a conditional operator. So now I hope you're both clear about assignment operators and ternary operators. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Goodbye till the next video.